So I'm kind of forced to issue a sort of safety warning about this. These are GHD Golds, as you can see on the arm. They are rated at 110 to 240 volts, so the wattage can vary between 60 and 80 watts. So a low power item like this should have a 3 amp fuse. 5 at a push, but 3 is all that is required. And over the past few months we have noticed that a lot are coming in with 13 amp fuses. Now, I originally assumed that this was customer tampering, the set's gone dead and they've changed the fuse and they've just chucked in whatever they've got, which is likely in a household setting to be a 13 amp fuse. But it's happening all the time. In fact, I would probably say 8 out of 10 pairs of these GHD Golds that are coming into me have an incorrect 13 amp fuse fitted. Now, these came into me a few weeks ago. I think I can't remember, it was an eBay purchase, whatever, and they're absolutely fine. I haven't stripped them for spares because they're in quite good condition. I like to keep a spare pair of irons in case a customer ever needs to buy some. But I thought I'd grab them and have a look at the fuse that's fitted. This is a genuine genuine cable. It's not been changed. Genuine moulded plug. We've got GHD on the end of the cable. You probably aren't going to be able to see that. Maybe you can there, I can't tell from the screen. But looking at it, it's got another 13 amp fuse fitted. What is going on? They are all the same fuses. They are Bussmann fuses, 13 amps. This is a dangerous mistake to have made. I don't know where it's happened. You would have to assume it has happened during manufacturing at the factory in China, but I would urge everybody to just check the fuse that is fitted in the plug of their GHD Golds, and this particular model only is the only one I've ever seen this occur with. The model number, as I say, is GHD Gold, but there is another number, and it's the S7N261 model. So I would just recommend you check and change any 13 amp fuse to the correct 3 amp fuse. It's highly unlikely to cause a problem, but the risk is there that if you do develop an electrical fault with these, or a problem with the cable, anything like that, it is going to allow an awful lot more current to flow before triggering a 13 amp fuse than would be the case with a 3 amp fuse, and that is potentially hazardous. So yeah, please check and change to a 3 amp fuse if required.